Beach. Go Gators!
1, 2, 3. We are
Penn State!
We are
Penn State!
We are
Penn State!
Go State! Beat Gators!
Go John! Go Penn State! Beat the Gators! Woo!
It's always true. If you're not a Gator, you're Gator Bay.
We're here at Clearwater Beach. Go Gators! We're looking for a good game and a big win. Go Gators!
Ready? Okay, give me a G!
G!
An A! Give me a T!
T!
Give me an O! Give me an R! Give me an S! What's that spell?
Gators!
What's that spell?
We're here at Clearwater Beach, beach day for Penn State and Florida. We're Penn State fans, diehard, and we want Joe Pond, the team, to bring home a win.
Good old Outback Bowl Beach day, Clearwater, Florida. Beautiful day out, and I'm just glad we're not where it's snowing. Go Gators!
Beach day at the Outback Bowl, representing Derek Moore right here. Just graduated from Penn State. Let's go Penn State, beat the Gators! Penn State!
We are!